And then hand me that. You know what this is, don't you? It's too big for this. Yeah, get me a yeah, get me a zip tie too. I'll need one.
He called me. I called him yesterday to my father, and he's like, "When you going to Texas? When you going to Texas?" I said, "I'm not going to Texas, Dad." I said, "Florida's still attached to the United States. You can drive me." That's how you got it off. He was down wrestling. I was like, "You know, I don't think he has about because all of our tools were in storage." He has every tool fucking you can think of because fucking his electrician degree or career. He has every tool you can think of, but they're all in storage.
Yeah. Shit.
You're a Rays fan, but you're wearing a Chicago Cubs World Series shirt.
When you grow up there and live most of your adult life in Chicago.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing, Leon, right here. Had a fuel line coming from the primer bulb here on the side, and they got a little line coming from the bottom of this to the carburetor. It's the fuel pump. It works on a vacuum. And the motor, it would run good as long as I kept squeezing the primer every, what would you say, about a minute or two?
I use about every 3 or 4.
Yeah. But with this should fix the issue.
Unless we were hauling butt.
Yeah, if we were hauling ass, it would it wouldn't last but like a.
I don't like how tight that line is pulling on that. This one.
It's still loose. See how it'll slack up? See that? See that? That's all it needs is to do that.
Okay.
As long as there's a little slack in it with these tides, I think we'll be all right. All right.
Have you seen Brett in the last few days? Well, we're up here for the last 3 days. He's been gone for a few days.
be a YouTube video installing the fuel pump. So we're going to put that in, and we're just going to ready? Yacht sign, baby. She's good. Is that red light blinking? Is it on? Is it recording? I think we fixed it. I had to prime it once. Quit thinking for me, huh? All right, back to the marina. That's the grocery store. That's how we get groceries on my Chrysler 300/BMW made by West Marine. Yeah, she's a screamer now. I know. The red light blinking. Hold on, careful. You don't want to fall down when the motor kicks in. What are you doing?
Put me back, babe.
Oh, it was in reverse. Watch this. Let's just, you ready? Oh, she didn't miss a lick.
Huh?
She didn't miss a lick.
You're missing your wife, though.
Oh, she got off up there. I had her get off on right there on that pole.
Right here on the
Yeah. I'm gonna try to get it turned around, so. But yeah, I didn't miss a lick, man. So yeah, she running strong, dude. Oh no, I didn't have it wrapped around the pole. I just had it up there and just like 2 or 3 of the regular box knots on it, and that was it. Because I have to,
handle?
yeah, on the handle. But yeah, she didn't miss a lick, man. Yeah, I just put a couple of knots in it. I'll just adjust it when I get off. It's got my weight in it, so it won't be, you know. Yeah, we ran all the way to Publix and back. Went up there to almost Blind Pass Inlet. And yeah, that'll just, yeah, just tight enough to where it won't slam up against the front. And yeah. Oh, you're good, babe. Leon was waiting on us.
I even ran.
There we go. That's good, Leon. Here, baby. Come grab this stuff. There's that. There's that. Yeah, a little multi-tool. Yeah. But yeah. When I was in it by myself, I goosed it the whole front of the dinghy and went. Got it on tape.
Mm-hmm. Are you still recording?